Here we go. Let's create an instance. So today we are here to deploy a web app through Jenkins pipeline. We dockerize the app and then deploy it on EC2 instance. So let's create a EC2 instance first of all. So all about Jenkins. Create a Ubuntu instance and then T2 micro is okay. Yeah, not the instance. Okay, by the way, what we are doing, let's see what we are doing today. First of all, we are just taking the code from GitHub, okay? And then we are just cloning our code from GitHub to EC2. EC2 instance, and then we just dockerize it. When we just dockerize it and deploy. And then all these things we are just doing on the Jenkins. Like we are just taking the code from this to this and dockerize, or all the things just connected each other. And then deploy. Okay, this is the complete workflow how we do that. So first of all, I think we need to go on the EC2 instance. This is EC2 instance and it is up already. So let's go, click on connect. So we will connect with SSH, then just go there. Okay, and done. So we are just doing automation, like automatic deployment. Git to Docker, Docker to Docker Hub, Docker Hub to AWS EC2 instance के through हम deploy. We'll just do it. So first of all, we need to install Jenkins. how do we install it? We need to install Java first of all. So JDK version 17 or anything. I have a blog also channel in which I think I'm just do something about Jenkins. Is there anything? There is nothing Jenkins. Okay, no problem. There is my activity. Where we are? Yeah, there. First of all, we need to update the system. Sudo apt get update. First, we need to install the Jenkins in our system. So now we have to install JDK. Sudo apt open JDK 17. I think this one. Yep. Where we need to install? We need to install in the Linux. Ubuntu. Yeah, that is the command. Okay, it is trying to install it. If you are just getting any kind of problem, then no problem. Just Jenkins. There is some mods. Okay, let's check it. Like, yeah. So Jenkins is installed and Jenkins run on 8080 port 8080. So let's check it. It's run or not. So just go on there. there is public IP, just copy it. But we need to open the port of 8080. First of all, we have to go on the security, inbound rules, security groups, edit inbound rules, and we have to add the rule of 8080 and anywhere, because after that we save rules. Okay, it's good. Now we need to go on 8080, then check it's running or not. Okay, that's good. Jenkins is installed correctly. We need to unlock it first. How do we unlock it? We have to go there and take the security. Yep, this is the security key. Copy it, control, and paste it over there, and then continue. That's correct. Install suggested plugin, taking little bit time. So Jenkins is installed. So let's find out what should we take. We have to take a project from GitHub, which is let's go on my GitHub account. I think there is some project already there. I thought I have to go in the repo. I can pick up any project like Spotify clone, color flipper, 3D array. Everything is okay, but we have to take this project. Okay, this is a project which is Django Notes app, and I think I forgot it from somewhere. Yeah, it's running. What about this? Yeah, this is also running. Just fill out anything like what you want. Yep, save and continue. Yeah, save it. What's happened? So it's good, and my Jenkins is ready to go. Yeah, here my Jenkins is there. So first of all, what we need to do, we are just taking this project in our PC, in our EC2 instance, and this is also running on my EC2 instance, and it will clone it, deploy it, and push to the Docker hub and deploy it. So we need to go on the new item, write it down like pipeline, and just go on the pipeline. Okay, yeah, this is a Jenkins pipeline. Just describe it over there. Discard or now GitHub project. Just paste the link of my GitHub project over there, which is this. Yep. Okay. And I will do also this, but after some time, not now. Notes app. Okay, here I have to write down the pipeline script, which is like pipeline. isn't any, and number of stages, and then after that stage. Number first is clone the code, and then after cloning the code I have to write down the steps inside this. Yep. Here I just write down some steps like echo colon the code. Okay. Yeah, there's my fourth step. Number first is cloning the code. In the second step, I have to do something like the second is what? I have to do build. So build here, building the code. And number third is push 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 to Docker Hub. Here I'm just pushing the code to Docker Hub. And number fourth is deploy. Deploying the code. Okay, there is 4 step over there, and I thought everything is running. So here I think I need to install Docker first of all. So sudo apt install docker.io and update the whole system again, and then give the permission to the Docker group. It takes some time, no problem. Yep. Sudo apt update. Yep. So now I have to give the permission. Let's check it. Yep, I have to give the permission to this. Sudo and give the permission to Jenkins also. Yeah, so I already gave all the permission. Not Docker. If I just check it, oh, what happened, buddy? Permission denied. Yeah, it is running. But if I just give the permission to Jenkins, then it is not running, I thought. Let's check it. No, it is. There is a problem with this. No problem, no problem. I have to add this user to the Docker group. Okay, and Jenkins also. So I have to add the user to the Docker group, which is what is the code for this? Docker EG add assign group किसको यूजर को किसके यूजर को किसके डॉकर के I think that is the command I thought. I don't know. I don't remember the main exact command. But the command is this. I have to check the command. I need to assign. Yeah. So yeah, this is the command by which we can add user mode. Yep. And the second command is Jenkins. Let's check it. Everything is running. Yeah, everything is running. Which is super mode, sudo super mode, user mode. So let's go on the next part. Where we are. Yeah, we are there. Let's check it. Our Groovy sandbox is running, working perfectly or not. Let's build it. I think there is something. Let's check it. What's happening? There's some problem, I thought. There's some syntax problem. Yeah, it's running. There's syntax problem, I thought. So now what we have to do? Now we have to clone the code. What's the problem, by the way? I have adjusted the indentation and remove extra spaces. Script is correctly structured. We have to clone the code from there. Get URL that by which I can clone this code, and then here we need to build it in Docker. So what is the build command? This is the build command. I don't know but it runs or not, but it's okay because let's check it. Third one failed, I thought. It's running. Check it. What's happened? Okay, it's started running in Jenkins pipeline, cloning the code. There's some problem, I thought. In Docker file. We need to update the Docker file, I thought. So let's check. This is Docker file. So let's open it. It exposes at 8000 running on the server. This it's completely fine. Let's run it here. Docker -p. Okay, it's running, buddy. It's running on 8000. Okay, I think it need to reboot, but it's running. But it need to the system, I think. Yeah, it's already done. Now what I have to do, let's check it. It's run or not. Okay, everything is perfect. Let's go back and again build. It's again failed. Let's check why it is failed. Oh my god, I just forget one thing, which is branching. I have to give the branch name in the pipeline. Yep, I have to give the branch, branch, branch. Branch is what? Now it's running. I thought. No, 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 no. There's also something. No, there is no error. Just save it and build it again. 7th. Yep. What's happened? Let's check it. Error. Okay, index error. There is a error in this section. Oh, comma. Okay. Now build it again, which is seventh one. Yep, I think there is something right now, and it's run. Check the output. Cloning the code. Building the code. Okay, building is running. That's good. That's good. Successfully installed. Wow, that's completely good. Yep, and it's running completely fine. Everything is great. Just see here. It take 5 seconds. It take 1 second, and both it completely taking like 5 to 6 seconds. So our two step is done. Now what we have to do, push to Docker Hub. Okay, so here we go. What we want to do, first of all, I want to log in the Docker Hub. So let's go on the Docker Hub. Login, sign in. I don't remember. I think this. Okay, continue. Yep, this is the password and this. So I have to add the credentials in Jenkins. So let's go. Just wait a minute. Let's go to the dashboard and manage Jenkins. And in the security section, there is credentials. Here I have to add the credentials. Username, password. Let's go. Okay. So the ID is Docker Hub, and my username is Sarthak, and password is, I really don't know what's my password, but I have to check. I have to check it. Okay. This is my password. This is my username, and this is Docker Hub credentials. And create it. So it is already saving it. Now go to dashboard again and just go on the pipeline section. Go on the configuration. Now our target is to push my code to the Docker Hub. So here Docker login, username is what? What is my username first of all I have to do something like yeah here what I have to do right now. I have to tag the image before pushing. Okay, I already built the images, so now I have to tag it. Docker tag what is the name of my to-do app and whatever it is. To here I just go and then create a repo name to-do app and create it. And I just paste it over here with the tag of latest. So now to-do, this is to-do. I just tag it first of all. Okay. So with credentials, and create a function. Function is username. Again, create a function which is credential ID. What is my credential ID by the way? I think Docker Hub. I don't remember to be honest, but I think Docker Hub. Okay, and then the another thing is credential ID, pass variable or username variable. So password variable is what? Docker pass and username variable is Docker user. Okay. So what is the username? Username is Docker user. This is the username. And what is the password? Password is this. This is the password. And where it is? It is in env folder. It is in env folder. Let's check it. If there is an error, then we can try to fix it again. Oh my god. Okay, that's okay. Everything is fine, I thought. Let's check it. Okay, actually I just forget something, like, let's check it, the credentials. Docker Hub. That's some problem, buddy. I thought there is some problem in syntax, I thought. because this is a function. And where's the function end? Parenthesis missing. Okay, that's good. Let's check. Everything is running perfectly. Login. Okay. Yeah, login successfully. Now I can push it over there. Okay, here. What I need to do right now? Right now, let's search Docker push. लेटेस्ट में डॉकर पुश इस पे पुश कर देगा. Okay, I think that's looking good. Now check it. It's run or not. Console, check it. Docker push, it's running, it's preparing. Wow, that's good, that's good. Mounted. That's success. Wow, that's really good. It's running perfectly and it take only 2 seconds, 3 seconds and 1 second, 6 seconds and almost 7 to 8 seconds. That's good. Now the last thing is deployment. Now I need to deploy the whole process right now. Okay, how do I do that? Just simply write down the docker run command. So shell script docker run hyphen d hyphen p. What is the port number? I thought 1000. And what is the name of that image? That is the image. Okay. Let's check it, buddy. 8000, and again check the accessibility of that 8000 port number 8000. Deploying the code, run the and success. Deploy on the 8000. Let's check it. Just go. First of all, I have to open the 8000 port number 8000. From there to from anywhere. Okay, that's good. Now I have to go there, and this is my public IP and 8000. This is okay. Yeah, let's check it. And my application is running. Wow, that's great. Okay, that's completely good. But there is a problem because this is not robust. I have to make it robust. How do I do that? I have to use Docker Compose in it. So let's do it. ओ भाई,
क्या
क्या करना है इसका?
यार अभी तक भेजा ही नहीं यार, क्या
भाई बता, अब इसे क्या कहूँ मैं?
क्या तो भेज देंगे आज ही।
उसने कल बोल रहा था।
आपने भेज दिया अपने?
मैं भेज दूंगा आज, जब तेरे आ जाएंगे तेरे बाद। मेरे तो आ रखे,
क्या
मेरे तो आ रखे, तेरे तेरी वजह से
ठीक
रुक
है,
रहा
चलो
बस।
मंगा रहा हूं उसे।
मंगा ले। I have to install Docker Compose. AT install Docker Compose. By the way, why I just need to install this? What happened here? Why I need to install Docker Compose, by the way? Because if I am again, just check it. I will tell you why. I'm just use Docker Compose in it. There is a problem in it. The problem is the port 8000 is already assigned, and again I'm just trying to again build this code. Then 8000 is already assigned, then again 8000 it is also trying to push the code on 8000, but it failed. Just check it. Wait a minute, it's busy already. This is manual DB. You can try, you can check it out over there also. What's happened? Why you are so much busy, buddy? Yeah, where I am. It's 91%. I thought it's okay. Let's do it again. Just make it close. And again I have to connect it because it's T2 micro, that's why it didn't take a lot of load. And then go, everything is fine, everything is fine and running. I thought, just wait a minute. It is getting, yeah, it's running. And just check Docker Compose. It's running. I thought Docker Compose. Yep. Hyphen help. Docker Compose is already installed, and where I am here to tell you why I'm just installing Docker Compose. Okay, so if I'm just trying to build it again like this, if I'm trying to build it again, this is, then it will get failed. Just check it. Why? This is 13, and I have to go on the console output. Just check it on the deployment section. It's build, pushing the code, everything is perfect, everything is perfect, but it failed. Why it failed? Because Docker run on the port of 8000. Okay, and the port is already allocated, that's why it's failed. So I have to use Docker Compose, in which I first of all I just up the port of 8000. And Docker Compose, what it do, Docker Compose just down the port and again up the port, so it is free. So what I'm doing right now, Docker PS, and I have to kill it. The one is 04B. Yep, yeah, that's okay. And remove also, just make the memory free. And now what I have to do, I have to add two line in it. In this code, the first line is just go on the pipeline, just go on the configuration and go on the downside. Yep, yeah, here what I have to do, I have to I don't want to run it. I really don't want to run it. I have Docker compose up -d. That's the command. But first of all, I need to do down and after some time docker compose up. Okay, that's the command by which I can, first of all, I can down the port 8000 and again I just up it. Now I think it's okay to run. Just check it. There is any problem or not. Just check it on the console section. Mhm. Okay, it is pushing the image and deploying the image. Docker Compose now removing the network pipeline default. Okay, up creating, pulling the image from there. Okay, creating a pipeline and success. Wow, that's good. That's good. So what I need to do? I need to check it again. From where? From there. Just copy the public IP. Go on somewhere. Yeah, that is already there. Yeah, it's running. It's running. How do I know that like it's running or not? I have to go to the GitHub. Just go somewhere like my notes in the build section. There is HTML file and I can change anything like there's what there's TWS community is amazing, something like that. I have to change this. Where it is? In the backend public. I don't know what's happened, but it's running, buddy. It's running perfectly like this. You just see there, and it deploy by Docker Compose, and the pipeline is working perfectly. Right now, I have to what? I have to do one thing, which is just add it by. Hmm, I have to go on the GitHub hook trigger. We are just triggering the GitHub hook in this section. So just sorry, I have to click on the save button, and then yep, and then just take the URL of pipeline and go on the application, go on the this site, setting, in the webhook. Where is it? Webhook. Try to delete. Yeah, delete it. I don't remember the password. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, this is the webhook. Add webhook. Just paste over there. And webhook. I think webhook or something else. GitHub. GitHub webhook. There's nothing like this. Add. Let's check. There is some problem. Last delivery was not successful. Invalid HTTP response 302. What is the meaning of 302? A redirection message that occurs when a resource or page you are attempting to load has been temporarily moved to the different location. 302 error क्या होता है bro?
302 नहीं पता,
नहीं होता.
नहीं पता, 302 नहीं पता.
Check. Double check to see which URL calls 302 ऐसे.
यार ब्लूटूथ भैया मुझे तो मेरे पैसे आने वाले हैं जरा. इस बारी रेंट ही है ना बस. वो नहीं है ना, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल तो नहीं है ना.
रेंट ही है
बस,
बाकी देख लेंगे. Okay, where I am? I'm there. What the hell? Everything is looking perfect, but okay, I have to open 8080 code number of 8080. I thought just go there and in the security section, just go there, security groups, inbound rules. Port 8080 is already open and not custom. Yep. Okay, and then save rules. We have not made any changes. There's a problem in webhook. Okay, let's check it.